Hey guys, I'm Arya from Blink and today I'm going to show you how you can buy and connect a custom domain to your Blink app. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand why a custom domain matters. In our previous tutorial, we published our app to a Blink subdomain. Like here I published it to aidatainsights.blinkpowered.com. And that's perfect while you're building and testing with your initial users. But when you're ready to launch your app to the world, a domain like aidatainsights.blinkpowered.com does not look that professional, and you would need a custom domain like aidatainsights.com. If you look at all the popular companies in the world, they all have their own domains like Instagram.com, Spotify.com, Figma.com, and so on. A custom domain helps build trust with users, it's easier to remember, and it can help your app perform better on search engines and AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity. Traditionally, getting a custom domain isn't very simple. You would firstly have to get a domain from a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, or Cloudflare, and then you would face a complex dashboard like this one, where you would have to find the correct DNS records and upload it to Blink and copy some DNS records from Blink and upload it on this dashboard. For someone who isn't technical, that process could be very confusing. With Blink, you can buy your domain and connect it to your app directly on Blink with just a few clicks. Blink handles the technical setup behind the scenes so you don't have to worry about DNS records and complicated configuration. Alright, let's see how it works. I'm going to add a custom domain to the AI Data Insights platform that we already published, and I'm going to go to my dashboard, and here I'm going to find hosting, and under that I'm going to go to domains, and here under custom domains I'm going to click on add domain. Here, since we do not have a domain already, I'm going to click on buy domain, and here I'm going to search for the domains that are available for AI Data Insights, and I'm going to click find. As you can see, there are 19 available domains for AI Data Insights. So there's aidatainsights.co, there's aidatainsights.org, and multiple other domains. .com is not available for this one, so I'm going to go with aidatainsights.co, and I'm going to click on buy. And once that's done, you'll be asked to fill in your details. I'm going to fill in my details here, and I'm going to click on continue payment. This opens up the Stripe payment gateway for you, where you can make the payment and claim your domain. Once you make the payment, you'll be able to see a payment successful confirmation. You can go back to your app and go to dashboard now. Under hosting, go to domains, click on add domain, and here you'll be able to see your purchased domain, aidatainsights.co, and I'm going to click on connect here. As you can see, connection is now successful and everything is configured. Awesome, now you can see that my domain is now active. Blink has automatically configured all the DNS and the complicated stuff that I talked about earlier. You do not need to handle any of that. So if I just click on open in new tab here, you'll see that my website is now propagating to aidatainsights.co. And if you just search for this URL on the web right now, you'll be able to find this website. And that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.